I don't even know where to begin. I've never made pizza. I mean, I guess I could follow these directions. Give me directions on here.
You gotta put your cup down. Hold on. Drink freely.
I walk around like that bitch. I walk around like that bitch.
Hey K's, or whoever else is watching. If you're not a K, subscribe now. Today we're cooking a quick little meal, pizza from scratch. I'm cheating a little bit because I'm not making the dough. I bought the dough made already, but it's still from scratch. You feel me? I have 2 doughs, but I think I'm gonna use the thin crust one because I'm really not supposed to be eating this because it's not really healthy for my stomach. But yeah, I'm gonna use the thin crust one. So let me put this away. I have a big old bag of mozzarella cheese that I
don't need to use cheese on my pizza, but I'ma just do it anyway and then pick it off.
after I cook. I mean, yeah.
Everybody say, what's the point of pizza if you ain't gonna have the cheese? You don't eat the cheese.
Aha!
Alright. I don't even know where to begin. I've never made pizza. I mean, I guess I could follow these directions. Give me directions on here. Mom, this say 400. It says connection and then it says regular.
Convection oven? Like convection? Wow.
It definitely say convection. It definitely do. Alright, let that preheat and then I think I need like a pan or something. Unrolled dough with parchment paper. I didn't even know I needed parchment paper. Alright. So we're gonna put some parchment paper. I need to show everything that I'm using. I'm getting ahead of myself.
You should have did that in the beginning.
Well, duh.
So I'm using some Don Pepino. Background of this sauce, because I've never had this sauce before, so don't even, I'll let you know how it tastes after I make it. But this man in the grocery store heard me being ratchet and I was yelling to my mom and I was like, Mom, is spaghetti sauce the same as pizza sauce? Can I use spaghetti sauce? Because I like Nature's Promise spaghetti sauce. But then the man was like, you should get this. Mom, you look so crazy, like stop.
Okay.
Damn! He's like, you should get this. This is the restaurant sauce. I was like, okay, whatever, sure. So I'm using that pizza sauce. I'm using Bistro Pizza dough by you can read that. Some basil leaves, onion powder, garlic powder, fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and also I'm gonna put some fresh basil on it and red onion. Now let me roll the dough out. This smells good. It smells good. Oh, it doesn't even say use parchment paper. It says unrolled dough with parchment paper. It comes with parchment paper.
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb.
Woo! Attached. Let's unroll it. It's soft and doughy. All right. And I'm gonna pour. Let me taste this.
They're gonna be like, why you smell shit?
I smell
Smell the
everything.
dough. It's good. Okay.
I'm good.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Alright, let's spread the sauce. That's definitely not enough sauce. Cameron, you gonna eat some of this? Alright, so I am gonna add pepperoni. I don't eat meat, but my sister does.
Well, I'm only saying this, but grease from the pepperoni might run onto your side if she puts too much of it. Why that dough so skinny?
Because it's thin crust.
No, why you can't use thick? We want Domino's. We don't want Litos.
It's still gonna be good, okay? So sauce is spread. Make sure it ain't dry. I don't like no dry pizza. You put the cheese next, don't you? I think so. Alright. So now I'm spreading the cheese. Spreading the cheese. What else you want on it? You just want pepperoni pizza and cheese? Alright, so I'm making half of this for my sister and half for me because I don't eat meat, but she does. So I'm gonna give her some turkey pepperoni.
Oh, we making pizza? Everybody?
Yeah.
Dry basil leaves.
What kind of pizza I'm getting?
Let me put some salt.
I want bacon on mine. I want mine like everything.
Wait, if the other one thin crust too.
It's not.
Oh, I want the other one.
But we only got one more.
So they don't give them. You can split with
Who can split with you? Me?
me. Me and you.
I got 2 cauliflower crust ones.
Why can't you eat it?
I am gonna eat it, but I'm
Why
saying
can't Taylor eat it?
I'm saying I
This
can
is
make-
mine.
Cauliflower crust.
No, there's another one of these crust. It's
What
and
kind of
it's
crust
not
is
it's not thin crust. It's regular crust.
I get my regular crust then.
That's what
Why
Cameron
is
just
that what we
said.
did?
But I got split it.
Dad, you gonna eat this whole big old thing?
Yeah.
Maybe not all the night.
That's a lie.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, can I get like a meat lover type thing with supreme tomatoes, green peppers, onions. You know what I'm saying?
Split with me 'cause I only want.
You gonna be in my YouTube video.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I want.
I only want.
I'm in it now.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up?
Anyways. Well then. Add my tomatoes. Red onions. Don't know why it's called red onions, because they're purple. Fresh basil. So we got a little basil plant, so put some fresh basil on it. Alright. And put her little pepperoni on her side. And there we have it. Oh, that looks good. That looks. How does it look, Cameron? What you always say?
What?
This looks gourmet.
20 minutes later.
Look at this. OMG. Literally amazing. Purr.
I just got one question, y'all. Am I doing it right?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Why didn't you
Hold
tell
up.
me you was about to do that before you got on camera doing that?
Because you keep saying I'm doing it wrong. Am I doing it wrong, y'all? I'm just saying. All right, show me how to do it. How you do it?
I'm not, this is not a dancing video. I'm cooking.
I mean, you can incorporate dancing in it. I'm just saying. Show me how to do it right, and then I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Anywho, I wish we had a pizza
Oh yeah.
cutter. I don't know how to cut this evenly. Lay it down the middle. No, Mom, this is not gonna work.
Okay, I got something for you. You know, I'm the great improviser out this piece.
This is not cutting my pizza with some scissors. I might just eat the cheese. That's how good it is. There's all the seasoning on the cheese.
Piece of pie. That looks really good, though, actually. Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom. Let me taste test it for you. Look. Oh. All right. I'm eating it. No, I'm gonna take the cheese off right here. Oh my god.
You good?
Thank you, God.
Benissimo.
Magnificent. Good job, Tay. Anyways, I'm gonna go sit down now to enjoy my food. Cause my mama don't like me standing up eating. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. More things coming soon from Ray K and I. And if you like this video, you know what to do.